In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly integrate your AdSense code into your Wix website, allowing you to start monetizing your online presence effectively. Once you've successfully navigated the steps to get your AdSense account approved, you're on your way to unlocking a new revenue stream. So let's walk through the process together to insert that crucial code snippet into your Wix site. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. You can do this by visiting the Wix website and entering your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your Wix site. Our next move will be to navigate to the settings that allow us to insert custom code. To do this, simply look for the Settings option in the menu. Once you've found it, click through and you'll see a Custom Code section. This is exactly where we need to be to take the next step in incorporating your AdSense code. With the Custom Code section open, you'll then see an option to add new code. It's time to click on plus Add Custom Code. This will prompt a field where you can paste your AdSense code snippet. Now, it's important to know exactly where to place this code depending on its purpose. If you're looking to verify your AdSense account, you should select the section for the code's placement. On the other hand, if you're focusing on specific ad units, you'll want to paste the code where you intend the ads to appear. This could be on specific pages of your site rather than in the head section. Wix gives you the flexibility to tailor where your code will be active. You can decide whether it loads on all your web pages or just particular ones. This feature is particularly useful if certain pages are better suited for ads than others. After you've made these selections and confirmed that the code snippet is in the right place, you're ready to click Apply. This ensures that the configuration is set correctly and that your website is primed to start displaying ads. But we're not quite done yet. The final and crucial stage of this process is to publish your site. Publishing takes the code that's now sitting in your Wix editor and sets it live on your actual website. Once this is done, your site visitors will start seeing those ads in the designated areas you specified. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded the Google AdSense code into your Wix site. Remember, the key to success with AdSense is not just in the setup, but also in regularly analyzing your results to tweak and optimize ad placements. Hopefully, this guide has provided you with a clear path to achieving your website monetization goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope your experience with AdSense is both positive and profitable.